Want to loop a YouTube video so you can keep watching it on repeat? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to loop YouTube videos on the mobile app and on the desktop site. Now let's get started. To loop a YouTube video on the mobile app for iOS or Android, open the video you'd like to loop. Then tap the settings icon. Select Additional Settings. Then tap Loop Video. To loop a video on the desktop site, open YouTube in your preferred browser and go to the video you'd like to loop. Then right-click on the video player window. In the menu that appears, click Loop. That's all it takes to loop videos on the YouTube mobile app and desktop site. For more helpful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.